to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or a face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
Today's thought for the day. If you are positive, you will see opportunities instead of obstacles. I repeat it. If you are positive, you will see opportunities instead of obstacles. Thank you.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the young, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good, ready.
Good morning, children. Today's vocabulary word is confine. Spelling CONFINE. Confine. Meaning keep or restrict someone or something within certain limit of. Example: he does not confine his message to high politics. Thank you. Have a nice day.